Raider Power Tools presents Combined Inverter Welder Machine RD IW28. The combined inverter welder machine for manual electric arc welding with electrodes or welding wire RD IW28 combines two inverter welder machines. It is easy to install and operate with and can weld stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, copper and other non-ferrous metals. Display showing the voltage during welding with electrodes. The inductance potentiometer reduces welding spatter during operation. Optimal results are achieved in the second half of the scale. Display showing the welding current strength. Possibility to adjust the welding current strength. When welding with electrodes, the range is between 20 and 155 amperes. When welding with welding wire, it is from 50 to 160 amperes. The machine works with welding wire on rolls up to 5 kilograms. Possibility to adjust the wire feed speed. For the convenience of the welders, a button for quick passing of the welding wire from the power source to the torch is at the front panel. RD IW28 can also weld with silver flux wire, which welds without gas. This functionality is a valuable advantage when welding in tight, confined spaces and in situations where gas supply is difficult.